October 11, 2025. Baku, Azerbaijan. One of the most famous mud volcanoes, Atman Bozdeg, erupted in the Garadog district. The eruption occurred in 3 phases. The first began at 8:27 a.m. and lasted 10 minutes. The second lasted from 8:39 a.m. to 8:51 a.m., and the third from 9:02 a.m. to 9:06 a.m. The depth of the eruption source was approximately 4 kilometers, and the energy released is estimated at approximately 2.19 times 107 joules. The eruption was accompanied by a strong emission of mud and flames. The total area covered by volcanic breccia is approximately 4 hectares. The sediment layer averages 1.5 meters thick, and the volume of ejected material is estimated at 60,000 cubic meters. Concentric cracks, characteristic of such events, were recorded around the volcano. Currently, the volcano has ceased activity, and there is no threat to nearby settlements. The previous eruption occurred on September 23, 2018. There are more than 300 mud volcanoes in Azerbaijan.